Click the Rental Agreement tab from the dashboard sidebar and click Add Rental Agreement. Select the customer and the driver. A prompt will appear regarding the age and years of experience of the driver. Click Yes to confirm. Click the Continue button to proceed with the next step. View the list of available vehicles by clicking this button. Apart from viewing the calendar for available vehicles, you can also type the vehicle number directly. Click this drop-down button to select the desired vehicle. Then click the Continue button. Fill in the necessary information. Once done, you may now click the Submit button. You will see that the status is now pending. Click the Proceed button to move to the next step. To add extra items, click this green plus sign button and select your desired item. Then click the Add button. To add a promotional code, click this purple plus sign button and type in the valid promo code. Click the Add button to apply the discount. Once done, click the Proceed button. Your rental agreement status has now changed to confirmed.